Okay, so the package has arrived. Let's try to cut through this. Okay, let's remove the plastic covering. And now we have removed the plastic covering. Let's now open it. And now it's open, but let me remove my outer gloves first. And by the way, this episode of the Thinking Out of the Box, we just simply unbox. And now my outer gloves have been removed. Let's slowly open the package. Let's remove this document first. I will not show this to you just yet. I'll have to check if this has private details. Now, let's slowly put this out of the box. Let's inspect if there are other items. There's none, so let's set this aside. Let's cut the bubble wrap off camera. And now let's unravel what we're wrapped using this bubble wrap. Look at that. And now let's remove the extra plastic covering. I'll remove the plastic covering, this extra one, off camera. No, I have removed the extra plastic covering. So what is inside this lucky box? Is it a wide strap? Perhaps. So let me just cut through this paper off camera. And now I have cut through the sticker protecting it. Let me open it offline. So here we go. What's in it? Together. Let's look. Surprise, surprise. Let's adjust the camera. Oh, indeed. It's a wide strap. And it has a logo with a picture of Mickey Mouse. So, the lucky box is not that fan of surprises, huh? It somehow revealed what's inside. Actually, it did reveal what's inside. Wide strap. Before we proceed, let's remove the secondary plastic cover. I'm not sure what it's called. Next, let's remove the bubble wrap. Alright, let's now unbox silicone cover with strap, although we will not be surprised. I hope and I assume that whatever is depicted on this box is essentially what I expect. Maybe a variant in terms of color. Let me open the box offline. Okay, now it's open, but I haven't looked at it, the content that is. So there are two tapes protective. That's why I was not able to open it easily a while ago. So let's slowly see how it looks. Right, together. Let's look inside the box. So again, this is silicone cover with strap for Galaxy S22 Ultra. Okay, some instructional manual. Okay, are you even interested in reading through this? I don't think so. Okay, let's set this aside. I'll just try to read that later. Okay. So what is this? The dirt that you are seeing actually came from my outer gloves. Okay, apparently it's just something like an extra analysis cushion. Okay, this is the casing for the S22 Ultra. Again, this is silicone cover with strap. Let me just try to clean a bit to remove the dirt caused by the crumbling outer layer of my outer gloves. Okay, now let's try to reveal and check how the protective standing cover for Galaxy S22 Ultra looks like. So as I have anticipated, there will be tapes protecting it. So let me remove them and open the box off camera. And now I have opened the box for the protective standing cover for Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's see how it looks. Together, let's look inside the box. So again, this is the protective standing cover for Galaxy S22 Ultra. So it also has some sort of manual. So I'll read through that later. And it has this. It's not a cushion. No, I think this is just a shaped box, or what do you call this? A simulated height, width, size of a gadget, an S22 likely, so that it would fit through the section of this protector. So this has, I hope, a hard enough cover to protect the S22. And there is a small component. Before we check the component, okay, let's check if this is a strap or something. Okay, let me open the box, the small box, or the small component of camera. I've opened a small box containing the small component of this protective casing. So let's see what are inside the small box. Together, let's look inside. Right. So I need to assemble this. So this is likely a set of small components, mechanical I suppose, that will help this protector to stand. So again, this is a protective standing cover. So I see that these are the components that will help this protective casing to stand. I will not show to you how I'll assemble them